Login failed on Changelly Fix. You open Changelly to swap crypto, but instead of your dashboard, you get that annoying login failed message. Don't panic, this is one of the most common issues on crypto platforms, and it's usually easy to fix in just a few steps. First, double check your login details. It sounds obvious, but most login problems happen because of small mistakes in extra space, a capital letter, or a saved old password. Try typing your email and password manually instead of using autofill. If you're logging in with a Google or Apple account, make sure your browser or app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause third-party login failures because of expired authentication tokens. Next, check your two-factor authentication. If you use an authenticator app, ensure your phone's date and time are set automatically. A few seconds difference between your device and Changelly servers can cause your code to fail every time. Network issues are another hidden cause. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or public Wi-Fi, disable them temporarily. Changelly's security system automatically blocks suspicious IP addresses to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you're using the mobile app, check for updates or reinstall it. Cached data and outdated builds can interfere with login verification. For web users, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can make a huge difference too. You can also reset your password using the Forgot Password link. Changelly sometimes locks accounts after multiple failed attempts, and a reset is the quickest way to unlock access. Finally, give it a few minutes and try again. Changelly occasionally pauses logins during high traffic or maintenance windows, which usually resolve quickly. Most people assume their account is hacked when they can't log in, but the surprising truth is that it's almost always a simple sync or security filter issue. Once you go through these fixes, you'll be back to trading and swapping crypto with no interruptions.